What does it truly mean to be unstoppable? It's a word we throw around, a label for the titans and the champions. But the truth is, being unstoppable has very little to do with an unbroken string of victories. It's not about being invincible. To be unstoppable doesn't mean you never fail. It means you never, ever stay down, and you will fall. The path to greatness is paved with moments of impact. When the ground comes up to meet you faster than you can react, you will make mistakes, miscalculations, lapses in judgment, moments where your execution doesn't match your vision. These are not just possibilities, they are guarantees. And in those moments, you will doubt yourself. A voice will whisper that you're not good enough, that the goal is too far, that maybe it's time to quit. But this is where the real work begins. Not in the spotlight, but in the shadows. It's the discipline to study when you'd rather sleep, the commitment to recover when your body aches, the sheer stubborn repetition of the fundamentals, day in and day out, when no one is watching. This is the engine of the unstoppable. Being unstoppable means showing up anyway, showing up tired, scared, uncertain, but still showing up. Because presence is a statement, it's a vote of confidence in your future self. Every single time you rise again, you aren't just getting back on your feet, you are forging something within you. You train your spirit to bend but never break. Each setback becomes a stepping stone, each failure a lesson. This is compounding growth. And then, the breakthrough. It might not be a lightning strike, it might be a quiet click, a moment of flow where everything you've worked for aligns. The small wins start to stack up, building momentum until the wall you've been hitting finally crumbles. Because you can't stop someone who simply refuses to quit. Be that person.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.